Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Hello, good evening, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
We are discussing about graphs, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
let's continue our discussion. So this is T. This is position X. This is A, B, C. You have a graph, something like some points. Okay. So let us show what will happen. The particle is moving, which is changing as X is changing. Simplest particle is moving along which one? Do you agree? Okay, let us see. This is the origin. This is positive x-axis. This is negative x-axis. Followed this? Hello?
Sir.
Here, observe carefully. Is suppose you draw a tangent here. It is not horizontal, no? There is some small angle or not? Hello? Agreed? That means x increases with time. Do you agree with this? Hello? That means positive one, no? Hello?
Negative, right?
Now, this is negative, no? Somewhere you have minus. X is on here, no? And the particle is starting from here with some velocity. Is at point A. Do you agree with this? Hello?
But the angle should be negative, no, sir.
Which one?
Theta A should negative, it should be negative, right?
Tan theta is negative. Why is acute only, no?
It's below, it's below the origin, right?
Huh?
Below the origin.
It's not. I'm unable. You're unable to. The audio is not clear, man.
Sir, audio not clear. Sir.
Is on
Hmm?
below the origin, no, so it should be negative. He's saying that.
That is negative, so he's asking that slope is also negative.
Angle made with positive x-axis measured in the anti-clockwise direction. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
That is only slope, no?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see this is the first point. From A to B, what happens? It analyze. See, in this zone, please understand, x is positive, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Also, what is happening to the slope? Slope is also increasing, no? You can see that.
Yes, sir.
Draw a tangent anywhere. The slope is also increasing, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Slope means positive. This one, no? Understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So from this, what you can conclude? Particle with increasing speed, no? Do you agree with this? Hello?
Agreed, sir.
Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Any doubt is that till here? Understand
sir.
and do the graphs, how to analyze graphs you should know. As a beginner, let us spend some time about graphs. Shall I turn the page? Hello?
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Completed, sir.
So what we learn from this 2 point, again, we'll summarize. Particle okay. Who is observer, no? Do you agree with this? Follow this? See,
Yes, sir.
the slope is this, no? This theta. Say this point is -8, -6, for example. Okay, follow this? This is some time delta t. How do you define slope? Delta y by delta x only, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is how much? -6 of -8 by delta t. This is 8 minus 6 by 10. This is 2 by delta t. Positive only, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. At A, we
Yes,
have got
sir.
this or not? Understood this? Next. That means particle moves to along which direction? Positive direction.
What's
Next.
positive?
From A to B, what is happening? Slope is increasing. That means speed is increasing. Do you agree with this, not? So from A to B, particle you can see, you observe carefully, after this, what is happening to the slope? It is decreasing. You have seen that? After this, what is happening to the slope? Decreasing or not? Finally, it becomes zero. Slope is zero, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from, now don't click here. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Hello?
Excuse me, sir. Can you turn the previous page for 1 second? Done, sir.
See, know how to analyze the graph, man. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Finish this?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, I am not understanding how are you saying that speed is maximum at B.
No, man, you are having, read this statement. Speed increases from A to B, becomes great, then decrease from B to C. What is the meaning of that? A quantity increases from A to B, it decreases from B to C. That means highest should be where? Where?
B.
Agreed.
Yes, agree.
Forget about speed. There are three things are there, A, B, C. From here to here, it increases some and then decrease. That means highest should be here only, no?
Sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done, sir. Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Sir, yeah, waited.
Hello. See, from C to D, what is happening to this? Slope is positive or negative? Draw
Negative.
one tangent here. Slope is negative, no? So, see, from 0, please see, the slope is 0 here. It is a negative. Again, it becomes 0 here. See. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're able to visualize?
Yes, sir.
That means I can say that from at C, what is the next point we have? 50 point. At C, already we wrote this. It's over C. C to E. From C to E, what is happening, man? X is positive or negative?
Positive.
But decreases, no? What is the meaning of that? See, if you take the coordinate, this is 0, no? This is positive X, no? See, X equals 20. Decreasing means the particle should be coming here, no?
Decelerate.
Negative X direction, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. That means velocity of particle is directed agreed.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. X is positive, but is decreased. Sir,
Pardon?
Sir, X is negative, na, sir, from C to D.
What are you talking, man? X is above. This is positive here. How it can be
Sir,
negative,
slope.
man?
Talking about slope, sir.
Pardon?
They are saying that slope is negative.
Hello, any doubt is there? Hello,
No, sir.
Clear, sir.
you do one thing. Remember, see, another part of graph, if you remember, it will be easier for you. This is the, suppose you have a curve like this. This is a curve. Okay. This is, what is this called? Concave side, no? What is this called?
Concave side.
This is some other graph. So we call these curves are concave down. Okay. This is concave down. Now what is happening to slope? This is positive slope, no? Slope is positive or not?
Sir.
So here I can say positive slope. Whereas here slope is negative or positive? Negative, no?
It's a negative.
These are all negative slopes, no?
Sir, very good, sir.
Slopes are increasing. In other words, if the curve is like this, what is this? Concave down. This is also concave down. In both cases, slopes are increasing. One is positive slope, the other is negative slope. Understood this? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Theta is
Hello?
decreasing.
Clear, sir.
Sir, in first concave,
Ah,
sir, theta is decreasing. So tan theta will be decreasing. Slope is also decreasing.
which one?
Sir, positive slope, concave side.
Ah, yes, tell.
Sir, you said in both cases slope is increasing.
No, sorry. In
But-
both cases, slopes are decreasing. Okay? Understood
Yes, sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose, shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, hello? Hello? All right. Okay, anyhow, you knew something about MS, I think. You know that, no? Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, our MS children, if they go and join LN Resonance or any branded institute, there will be minimum in section 50. Okay. Because the first section people already have been qualified in Maths Olympiad, Physics Olympiad, Chemistry at international level. Okay. There the program is 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, same IIT faculty. Suppose I go to a section, I teach them for 5 years. So directly they go into IIT. Okay. So their ranks and the total strength of those institutions, for example, Chaitanya, I am from Chaitanya, it has 2.5 lakh children. In that, 80 people get good ranks. So this is the percentage of success. So how much it comes to mean into 100 means? 8 by 250, how much approximately 1 by 3, 10,
0.032,
sir. 0.032.
0.032%. Our MS children of first section, for example, Umair Abdullah, if they go, they will be here. Our MS, we don't have any children who are of that Olympiad qualified. Normal children will take. So among the normal, a little bit better. For example, you have rice in that, small pebbles are there. One big stone is there. Compared to that pebbles, stone is worse, we'll throw the stone away. From those children, we train. We take around 30 children actually, basically. That's called Rahmani 30. Last year onward, they call it Latif in the name of chairman. In that, we will be getting, say, around 15 or 13 people go into various IITs. Somewhere or other they'll go. Okay. And most of the people, say around 12 to 13 people, they go to NIT, some NIT or other. The remaining 3-4 children, they go to some university. This is the only thing we have. I go only for the first section. No other section I'll go. When I was in Chaitanya, I used to take first section. So you cannot compare yourself with that program. By this time, half of the syllabus is over for them. You know that? By this month end, almost half.
Yes,
Second year syllabus is also over. That is not connected with children program because already somewhere or other the ranks will come because 2.5 lakh stones are throwing at a tree. 100% some fruits will come. Our target is how much? 13 out of 30 IITs will take into 100. How much you are getting? How much, man? Around? Nearly
40%, sir, approximately.
40?
42.
40?
41.2.
Okay, 41%. Which is better? See, remember, always see the success in terms of what are the input students, how many output, not this denominator. This also is there now. So our children is very small. Now only you can see yours is the first section. No? Okay. In your section, I'm seeing 20 people are regular. Remaining are irregular. So from 20 people, suppose I get 5 seats. What is the success rate? 25%. Your section only you see. Don't think about other things. Other section much worse. And you can see our database is very small. It's a charity institution just serving the Muslim community, nothing else. And they requested us. So we are just helping, that's all. Because chairman is known to us for many years. Seeing our records in Chaitanya or other institutions, they requested us, we came here. Okay, so just to follow, that's why we give so much assignment, daily request students and all. Chaitanya is a commercial product. That is not a college, Nyland, Resonance. They give a lot of ads, man. Baiju is giving such ads. Whose money is that, man? Hello?
Students.
Students' money only. Because they're
Yes,
getting
sir.
money, they're spending. You people, if you join there by paying that money, you'll be knowing the worth of MS. That lecture, how much work we are doing, how much you're trying to explain. Okay, what they do know, all easy concepts they'll explain, leave the difficult ones so that children won't find difficult. If you ask parents, how is it? Very good, you'll think. Because you don't know the actual syllabus, no? So they go in depth only to the first section children. That's all. That is also called China batch or CO batch. Throughout India, they pick up around 100 students. All are Olympiad qualified people only. Okay, that program. So don't get trapped in these fancy things. Understood this? You'll be like falling like Sushant Singh only. Seeing Riya Chakravarti, that fellow tempted. See his life. So all these temptations avoid. No, why I'm telling is some student asked, Masi, this seems. So tell frankly how many rankings I'm telling this is that I never told any lies. It's a fact. Okay. And one more thing, any student will get our contribution is only teaching, clearing the doubt, giving the assignments, conducting the exam. That's all. It is the children. Do you think we daily took Umar and Abdullah on our cradle and we have sing songs for those people or not? No. What we gave to others, we gave. They are doing work, others did not do. MS has a policy, we never scold children. It's up to you, your headache. So one thing is sure, so please study. Each one is the architect of his own life. Anybody can, knowledge is not one man's horse. If you study well, you can supersede anybody, no? Followed this? So when I am trying to compare, I should take all parameters into mind. Right. Now we'll come back to this. So once for all, I'm telling you, study well, attend properly. Without asking and all, I'm saying, no. Be grateful to Almighty with your status. They have given a seat of free education, to my knowledge. So what are these men? Concave. What are these curves called? Concave down. So slopes are decreasing. And this is positive slope. What is this?
Slope.
What is this?
Negative slope.
This is 1 point, remember. Actually, all this is maths part. I am just doing this extra work for you. The second one, Sharma sir won't do all this. He finished the syllabus. First thing is, this is one curve. This is a curve. What is this? Concave up. No, what is this? Concave up. Do you agree with this? Now, what is the slope?
Increasing.
Positive or negative slope? What are the slopes? Huh?
Negative, sir.
Huh?
What you do now is negative, sir.
This is negative slope. What is this? Positive slope. Concave up. Slopes are increasing. Understood this in both cases? Clear?
Clear, sir.
So remember this. So concave up slopes are increasing. Concave down slopes are decreasing. That you remember. One is positive slope, the other is negative slope. Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Followed.
You, what all assignments I am giving, be perfect. After that, your exam, you bring a bond paper. I'll show all what we did. Class notes, assignments, examination papers. From that only, you'll see similar questions. I don't say exact. If you don't do, nobody can help. That's why don't look at videos and all. Sit and do problems. That's all. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
When you look at videos, everything will be nice only. When people are playing cricket, sitting on sofa, having snacks, will be thinking, bloody fellow, easy catch, he did not catch. If you go to the stadium on the tense moment, we will be knowing how tense we will be. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now come back to our problem. So A to B, see, A to B, B to C. Now it will be easy for you, see. Okay. again C to D, again D to E. Now this is concave up. What is this? Positive. So what you have? Slope is concave up is means slope is increasing. Understood this? This is for A to B. Now for this concave down now. Positive slope no. Positive slope only no. You can take this. Okay. So slope is what? Concrete down. What you have? Slope is decreasing no. This is concave slope is decreasing no. And this is
Concave.
slope is negative.
Negative.
Slope is negative. And slope is increasing or decreasing? Understood?
Understood, sir.
Now with one stroke you can write the whole story. Now this is easier now for you. So I can
Yes, sir.
simply
Yes, sir.
say that. So from A to B, okay, that means follow this.
Yes.
And what? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
With what? Understood this? Like that you write from C to D, D to LC. బాబీ ఏం నీకు ఈ 1 week శాలరీ ఇవ్వమంటావా?
లేదు సార్, అదే నేను ఒక
Answer.
Tell what happens from D to D, C to D.
Sir, Vx particle moves along negative x direction with a decrease in speed.
Yes.
Negative
C to D, what happens?
Particle moves along negative x direction with a decrease in speed.
Easy only, no?
Easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, actually, what you'll do, man, you'll think that physics is difficult, no? Actually, all this concave, and all this is maths part. That is not completed to you. That's the reason why initially, afterwards, you'll play with physics once you know applications of maths. You people are marking up formulas of maths and substituting. Headache is there. And decrease particle moves around negative x direction with what? Decreasing speed. Do you agree with this? Hello. And last part, do it. D to E. Hello? D to E, what happens?
Sir, particle moves along negative x direction with
Along
increasing
negative
speed.
direction, increasing speed.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Increase.
Okay. So what we can say, particle moves with what? Increasing speed. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear, man? Totally?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Now, should I turn the page?
Yes.
Sir, from D to E, particle moves along negative axis, x-axis, x
Hmm.
direction with increasing speed, no, sir?
Increasing speed on that is. I
Yes,
wrote
sir.
that one. Increasing on, no? Here increasing on, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Followed.
Yes, sir. Follow.
Yes, sir, followed.
And this subject is really tough, man. Not such an easy one. For a beginner, till 10th class, you never studied all this now. All of a sudden means I can understand the pain. But what we can do? Once you have chosen one path, you have to know the work. Okay, this is a graph between velocity along x-axis, visible as this is time. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Suppose the graph is like this. Be regular to the class. Anything if there, you ask me, man, doubt or anything. I think this is convenient to you people, no? Than morning.
No, sir, morning only good, sir.
Morning
All.
only.
Sir, morning only.
Okay, okay. If it is convenient, I'll put this time, your wish. Analyze the graph, man. See,
Concave down.
A to B.
Concave down.
Slope is decreasing, no? Followed.
Yes, sir.
This is what?
Accelerate.
Like that you write? Now from A to B, you can see that velocity is negative, no? You can see agree or not?
Yes, sir.
A to B velocity is negative, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
So you can say that We'll do one thing instead of writing all there. This is the origin, no? Slope is positive or negative? Velocity is negative. Negative means what is the meaning? Vx, no? Acceleration is
Positive.
slope. This is positive, no? That means acceleration is this side, no? Do you agree with this simply?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Simplest way is that alone, no? So
Yes,
this is
sir.
the case for A to B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page? Like that, you
One
try
minute,
to
sir.
represent B to C.
1 minute, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So you can say that this is A, here this is B. Here, what is the velocity? Look at the graph.
Zero.
Vx is 0, no?
Yes, sir. Zero.
But Ax is not 0. Remember.
Sir, I think so. In the place of A, you should write B, right?
Why?
Because B is nearer than 0, sir.
Which one?
Sir, B is on the x-axis, sir. So it
B
should
is
be on the
on
origin, right?
T. This is not X. Time.
That only, sir.
Hmm.
So that B should come now, sir. In the line which you plotted down,
Hmm.
B should come there, right? Instead
Huh?
of A. Instead of A, B should come there, right?
No, it is starting from A here, man. Negative velocity. It has a negative velocity. It
Yes,
goes
sir.
on like this. Somewhere velocity will become 0. Acceleration is still existing. From A to B, what is happening? Acceleration is decreasing. Understood this?
Yes.
A to B. Okay. Particle comes to rest at point B. However, due to positive acceleration AX, it changes direction of motion. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Therefore, it reverses direction of motion. Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Now, from B to C, what happens? Let us see. Shall I turn this page?
Just a second.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, so what is the moral of the story? A to B particle is moving along which axis? Negative direction. That is, it has negative velocity. Okay, it has acceleration along positive direction. Do you agree? This acceleration is also decreasing, no? So, particle has velocity and acceleration in what direction? Opposite direction. If velocity and acceleration opposite direction, what will happen? Speed decreases
Yes, sir.
and becomes zero. At which point? Point B. However, at point B, acceleration which is directed along what? Positive direction exists. Do you agree with this? So, particle, what will happen? Reverses direction of motion. Any doubt is that till here? This is the first point. Next, B to C. B to C. What is the curve? Can you tell? Curve is
Concave down.
concave down only, no?
Yes, sir. Positive.
So what do you have?
Acceleration is positive.
Acceleration is positive and decreasing.
Then first you tell concave downward slope decreases. No?
Yes, sir. dvx by dt is positive and decreasing.
Understood this?
Velocity is positive. Yes, sir.
From graph we have this now.
Yes, sir.
So velocity is positive and increasing now.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because angular relation is there, no? They agree till here. This much hard
sir.
work, one problem you have to think like this. That is IIT. Okay, it's not 10th class, no. Have that consistent effort, they'll win. Come back to this. At C, what happens? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
At C, shall I turn this?
1
Then only I
minute.
can do.
1 minute, sir. Wait, sir.
Whole of till ending of first year, you'll feel little bit difficult, man. After that, you'll enjoy, like you can do yourself everything. Beginning, no? What formula you substitute for IIT?
No, sir.
Shall I turn?
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Completely, sir.
Completed, sir. Completed.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
So B2C, the particle goes like this. At C, slope is 0. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Next. That means Therefore, what will happen? Velocity is
Velocity
positive.
is negative. Negative.
No, velocity is positive from the graph.
Positive. Positive. Positive.
Look at the graph, man. So what happens?
Both are in opposite direction.
Velocity goes on. See at D, what is happening at the graph? You've seen that?
Zero. Yes, sir. Velocity is zero.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Again, D to E.
Again, this form down.
Increasing and
Particle reverses no direction of motion. Any doubt is there? Now D to E. Again, what is that?
Form down.
Concave down only, no?
Yes, sir.
Slope is negative. That means slope is, that means do you agree? This is understood till here because the particle reverses direction of motion, no? Till here, any doubt is there? Check up.
sir, your screen is not clear.
It is clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Return the page.
Yes, sir.
A minute, sir.
Please wait.
Understood what is concave up, what is concave
Yes,
and
sir.
all that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understood.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So today we discussed about what is concave up, what is concave down, what happens if the curve is concave up, what happens if curve is concave down. Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in the next class, we'll analyze some more graphs, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Tomorrow as usual, 7 o'clock only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Morning only.
Morning only, because you are saying morning is comfortable, no?
Yes, sir. Morning only comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Morning is better.
Sir, morning only.
Okay, take care. Right. Bye. Note down this and log off.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
sir.